folks, Tack with AOK Foraging and Adventures here with
Brenda
and
Kaylin.
That's right, folks. We have the infamous Kaylin Strain here with us. Find out what we're doing next. So Brenda, what are we doing?
We are camping, fishing, kayaking.
That's right. Kaylin, what are we doing this weekend?
Iowa YouTuber meetup.
There we are, Iowa YouTuber meetup. That's right, folks. We are going to be camping, hiking, fishing, kayaking, grilling, bonfires. You name it, we're going to try and do it. See you guys in a bit. All right, folks, so as you guys saw, we were all on our way here to the Iowa YouTubers meetup, and so we brought some gifts. One is from here to CB82.
Yep.
He felt so bad that he could not make it. He gave you guys some awesome.
I can smell it from here. I don't even need to open the bag.
Oh, Iowa nice. Iowa
Oh,
nice.
you can smell it through the Ziploc.
I
Like
bet
this
it-
far away, literally.
Yeah.
And then as a gift from Brenda and I to you for putting this on, Brenda made you.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, Brenda.
Ferro rod.
That is awesome. I want to get this on the camera. That's awesome.
Yeah, get close with that.
Yeah.
I couldn't get the outdoors on.
Here, let's get it even closer for them to see that. You guys see that? Jeep Things. That's right.
That's awesome.
And Mrs. Jeep Things is a little bit shy, but we heard that it was her birthday. So, Brenda carved her a Mrs. Jeep Things spoon. Look at that beautiful red cedar, huh? There we go, folks. So, others will be coming soon. We'll get everybody together and we'll film that later.
Oh, she's good.
All right, folks. We are on the water. Well, folks, another lovely day on the water. Here a bit windy, but here's my line is in the water. My wife's over there. Great time. Missing a few buddies, but hey, it is a good time. We're having this is what life is supposed to be about. You know, ever since I started my YouTube channel, it's like I'm doing everything that I wish I had done more, and now I'm doing it. I can't ask for anything better than that. Yeah, I wish you guys were all here with me. Hopefully I'll come back when I catch a fish. Alright, folks, fish on! Got a fish! Yes, I did. Oh, shoot. Look at that. Nice little catfish. Right there, folks. I finally caught a fish. Alright, folks. I got another one. This one seems to be nicer. It's pulling my boat to it. All right, here's another nice catfish. What do you guys think of that?
Hi.
There we go. Oh, sorry there, folks. There we go. Nice channel cat. Look at the beautiful specks on that. All right, let's fish some more. Sorry for the wind noise, but it has kicked up, so we're gonna head back to shore. I got 2 catfish to clean and cook up. So, hey, not bad for day 1 for me anyways. Yeah, I need to get back to shore because it's getting really choppy out here. I'll see you guys back at the truck, or maybe I'm back at the camp. All right, folks, so we are back from fishing. Cleaned the fish. We're gonna cook up our fish here in a little bit, but until we do, we're gonna have a beer. Yeah, gonna show you a little bit of the setup. Man, I'm not used to this easy camping stuff, so let's take a look. All right, so that is, oh sorry guys, that's our tent right there, truck, our 2 kayaks over here, nice fire pit right here already for us. Let's see, we did string up a tarp to keep everything out of the sun right here. That is our container of stuff, cooler of food. And check this out, you guys, this is our little beer kayak. It trails behind us on the kayak, so that way we'll always have our drinks with us. And then let's see, oh, check out, this is the simple life right here. We got ourselves a stove and everything. So Brenda's chair. This is my wild horn that Country Pepper helped me get. Awesome freaking little chair, I tell you guys what. So then, let's go to our next door neighbor. This is Bill's setup. He's got his minivan that pulls this Scamp, I believe it's called. Nice little trailer, electric and everything, so that's pretty cool. Air conditioned. Does not have a bathroom in it though. And then they have their little canopy over here. And then next door we have Melody's truck and giant camp tent, I mean. Man, that is some spacious stuff. That is what I'm talking about. So we are gonna come over and everybody's gonna introduce themselves one by one. We all know Bill over there. Hi, Bill.
Hi, Bill.
And your wife?
Janice.
Janice. We got Brenda over here playing with something. Oh, dang, that looks like a pig stickler or something. Golly. And then we got the awesome cook over here, Melody.
Hi.
And she's making...
Right now we have 4 pounds of ground deer in the skillet to make the meat for Indian tacos.
Ooh.
Over here is a Dutch oven full of grease that's heating up to do the fry bread for the shells.
Oh, wow. And your name was? Dexter. That's right. And then over here
Everybody
we got...
just calls him Dex.
All right. We got Jeep Things himself right here.
Hey, everybody.
And then we got Kaylin and Mrs. Jeep Things. All right. So I'm going to go over there and show you guys Kaylin's setup. Kaylin has herself a really nice camouflage tent. Awesome. I see her. She's got her fur rod with the bright orange glow in the dark. Oh, awesome. Wow. Fantastic. In her little area all set up. Ooh, look at all her cook sets over here. This is going to be awesome to look at later on. Maybe we'll have her unpack it tomorrow and show us everything she has. Sound good?
Yep.
All right. And then, so Jeep Things over there, he's got a hammock under there. He's just set up so that way he can take a nap tomorrow afternoon or something. And then he's got himself a tent right here. And a few other things over here. So the only person left that we are waiting for is Heath with random videos. All right, folks, we'll be back when we're eating. Melody's making fry bread. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I don't want to burn up my GoPro, but we gotta get a picture of this.
Oh yeah,
It is hot. Oh,
That's
look
too
at
hot.
that.
beautiful golden brown.
We're just gonna follow her around. That's what we're just gonna do. Look at that. I just want to pick it up and eat it, but I know I'll burn my mouth.
You will. It's super hot. Give it a minute, and then you can taste it.
She just came all prepared for us. Look at this.
So now you make the flat down for the tacos too?
Yeah, that's what this is.
Okay.
We're making. You're a dork.
Yes, you're doing something really good.
That's a dork.
I have containers of creamer and sugar. Doctor, their coffee.
Hello. Hello, hello. Alright, folks. So Melody freaking made this. Oh, awesome. Awesome fry bread here.
Yeah.
I thought I was on record earlier.
I want to take them
and I was
back
on
here again
picture.
eventually.
So
You didn't record none of that with us?
Yeah, that's right. God dang it. God.
Killing me.
Come on over here. So we're gonna do this all over again. So we are having Confluence Farmer John's multigrain ale, and man, it's good. Turn that right there. What do you think?
That is really good stuff. I need to find where to buy that.
I already told you because this is the second time around.
Yeah, but I don't remember because that was like 10 minutes ago. In the late 80s and early 90s, I had some really expensive habits.
All right. So anyways, this one came from, where does it say it came from? Des Moines. Des Moines,
Oh.
where I'm from.
Where can I buy it from, though?
Hy-Vee.
probably?
That's
Okay.
where we got it. It was from Hy-Vee. So anyways, folks, this freaking is called Indian tacos, I guess. She made it with deer meat, and then we have Kaylin's hot sauce on top of that.
It's amazing hot sauce.
Oh, freaking yes. But come on, look at this. Oh, look at this bread. Do you guys see the golden on that? And
Anyway,
I thought it was going to be really heavy, but it's actually nice and fluffy and so good. Like, this is my second helping, and I can't help it. It is really good stuff. So, Indian tacos, guys. Someday you guys will have to check it out. Good morning, folks. Tack with AOK Foraging and Adventures here with.
Brenda.
So, morning day 2?
Yeah.
And it was an okay night.
Not
Yep.
freezing, finally.
Not freezing.
Didn't need a heater.
Yeah, this is the first time we've camped without heaters.
Yeah.
So, yeah, not too bad.
Regular tent.
Yeah, in a regular tent. You're right there, too. We had some good times meeting everybody yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
So today we are gonna.
Some good food, too.
Yeah, we got up at 5:45, somewhere around there. But Brenda's got a fire going, and let's go see what's for breakfast. Look, there's a fire. But like I told you guys yesterday, we actually brought a stove and everything. So man, it made life so much easier. What do we got in here? All right, let me show you what I got in here. That's right. We got some potatoes and my homemade bacon. Oh yeah, folks. Yep. So Brenda's gonna look at that goodness. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's almost done actually. Oh. All right, folks. We'll do that. Well, what do you think of breakfast?
Good.
Yeah, I think it's just awesome.
Yep.
Yeah, the bacon crisped up and everything else. So, you guys hear people talking in the background. The group is finally waking up. It's what now? 6:30? About 7? Oh, 7 o'clock. So they're finally moving around. We're not used to this easy camping. I think that's why we got up so early, because we went to bed kind of early too, though. We go to bed around 9:30 or something like that. So, I think today we're going to do a little fishing again. Oh yeah. But I'm going to try a little bit of shore fishing, and then we'll do some kayak fishing. Yeah. Yep. So, what else we got going on today? Oh, I think I'm going to do a little foraging. But I'm pretty sure I'll put that in a different video. I'll put that in a foraging video, so.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So Brenda and I are heading down to go fishing.
Yes, we are.
Nice little path. Mowed. Just for people to walk down to the lake. That's also a very nice thing. And then we come upon this. Look at that beautiful little bay or cove. Look at that. You guys see this fish all over my bottom and everywhere else. But are they biting? No. Alright, fish. Folks, finally caught one. Right here you go. That's right. Smallmouth bass. Right here. Well, folks, only caught the one. Time to go back, get some supper. So what are you doing there, Brenda?
Trying to shave some fat wood.
Ah. And then you're gonna make dinner's fire?
Yeah,
All right.
hopefully.
We'll come back to her, folks. Okay. All right, folks. That's Brenda's monster ferro rod. Go for it, sweetheart.
Yeah. Yep. There it is.
Oh, it went out.
Yeah.
Look at that, folks. All right. Now what you gonna do? You gonna just tilt it over?
Yep. And that was my first fat wood fire, by the way.
You did a great job, sweetheart. Great job. All right, time for dinner. Well, folks, supper is finally done. You guys have seen these potatoes before plenty of times. And look at our steaks. Show me your steak. Steak. Alright, folks, we're going to have supper and then we're going to go down to the waterfall. There's a waterfall here, so... And we're going to try to do a little fishing off the waterfall, huh?
Yep.
Alright, folks, we'll see you guys later. Folks, that's the Lake McBride Waterfalls. Look at this, folks. Oh, look at that.
Hey folks, Brenda here with AOK Foraging and Adventures with
Tack!
and
Kaylin.
Hey Tack.
What?
what are we doing today?
I don't know. What are we doing? Going home?
Yep, Kaylin's got it. We're going home from.
Right.
Yep.
Yep. From our little camping trip. Yep.
Everyone have a good time?
Yep.
Fantastic time.
It was.
I finally caught fish.
Yep. Yep. You sure did. Me? I'm 0 this time.
Cooked.
Okay, folks. Until next time. May all your adventures be
Hey!